Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one more problem related to organic synthesis, and this type of problem have been asked in several exams like CRSI, NET or GATE or other set exams. And in this question, if you see in this starting material is mentioned here, and it is converted into this one, means in place of bromine aldehyde is added here, and these two condition is mentioned here. First condition is given in which magnesium formaldehyde and PCC is added, and in the second situation this sulfur, means this diethiene types of reagent is added. And if you see here, n butyl lithium is added, mercury oxide is added, and water, after that water is added. Okay, so we have mentioned two conditions, means you will be select which is prefer, which condition will be, which condition will be prefer for that. Okay, prefer for conversion, its conversion. So which condition is preferred for that? Okay, so first of all we will see through mechanism. If you see here very carefully, you will see this is your starting material, 2 carbon is mentioned here. Okay, and in first condition, if you see, magnesium is added. So magnesium, if you add magnesium, the function of magnesium should be inserted between carbon and halide bond. So halide bond is this one, and so it will insert in this position. Okay, so after that what will be happen, this Mg bromide. Okay, Mg bromine. Okay, so the function of magnesium is inserted between carbon and halide bond. So this condition has been fulfilled. After that, if you see here, this magnesium containing positive charge, that's why it generates negative charge near carbon atom. Okay, so if you see here again, what happened here, formaldehyde is added here. So if you had formaldehyde SCHO, okay friends, so it will attack either this one carbon, okay, or it can also attack on this epoxide ring, 3-membered epoxide. But so there will be two sides in which this negative charge can attack here. So in this, if you see in the product, this epoxide ring is not broken here, so that's why there will be two chances, means two product will be formed. So we will neglect this position, because if you add further PCC added, which is very acidic. Okay, and in the epoxide, the property of epoxide, that in acidic medium it will be broken. Okay, so that's why we will neglect these conditions, means it will not prefer for obtaining this one. Okay, so we will neglect this one. So the remaining second condition is remaining here. So if you see here, they added first. Okay, this, okay, and n butyl lithium is added, lithium is added, so it creates negative charge here near sulfur atom. Okay, so if you see here, these negative charge will be generated, and it will attack, where it will attack, this is your starting material here, 2 carbon here, and this is bromine. Okay, so it will attack, where it will attack, this will attack on this carbon, and bromine will be released out. So you find that your product will be this one, and this, from that if you see here 2 3 means 1 2 3. Okay, so 2 3. So here it will, sorry, we will neglect that. We will easily draw this very clean way. Sulfur and this. Okay, so here new carbon is generated here. Okay, so if you see here again what will be happen, they added HgO. Okay, so the function of HgO, since sulfur containing lone pair, it will attack on this Hg. Okay, though 2 to 6 to 8, do 6 to 8. Okay, so if you see here if you see sulfur is easily donate electron as compared to oxygen atom, because of electronegativity. Is it less electron that will easily donate lone pair of electron to mercury. Okay, so the product will be again like that, and sulfur form Hg. Here positive charge will be developed. Okay, so again what happen, when this condition is formed in the product and water is mentioned here, then you can easily can find out that this moiety will be converted to aldehyde. Okay, so it is your product. If you match there, then it is your product, because 2 carbon is here, and in your product if you see 2 carbon is here, 1 and 2, and again aldehyde. So the preferred condition will be second one. Understand? So it is we solve your problem, and we will again meet you by taking another problem regarding this. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, subscribe and like this video. And if any problem, any step you cannot understand, please call me on 95126925, or you can give your opinion in the comment box. We will solve it. Okay, so thank you friends, we will meet you later. Okay, bye bye.